Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review this Bluetooth speaker. It is Bluetooth 4.2 and you can see the name says Sensport. It is Rave Model 1. It's a beautiful water resistant and it's also dust resistant. So we're going to review it. You can see it has a lot of markings around. If you haven't subscribed yet to our channel, click the subscribe button. Click the bell icon. So this way you're going to get notified once we have a new video out. On top of that, click the like button. Smash it. Also, if you have a question, drop them at the bottom of the video. We really love to help you out ASAP. But once we open itself, it comes with a little plastic parts, and then it also comes with 2 wires and some little paperwork. So you can see that the user manual is just a few pages. It will tell you what's included and also what the buttons mean, which we will cover on this video. Tell you more at the bottom, but they are in different languages. Same thing in the back. It also have some information, and also the components that are part of this is written here, and also comes with 2 wires. One is the charger wire, which is USB 2.0. The other side is the micro USB connection, so this we can connect it and charge it, and also comes with an auxiliary wire. Now this part has 2 connectors. They're exactly the same, which is 3.5 connectors, and that we can connect it to your stereo, or you want to connect this to your iPod or to your phone that does not have Bluetooth. You can play with it. If you have a Walkman, this will work beautifully. So we're going to put that aside too. And also comes with a speaker itself. Now it's designed really nicely, so we will show some little pictures going around. So it has the logo on the top, really nice, and then you have the buttons, which will include the power button. Also has the play and pause. Also have the menu, the volume down and volume up. Going on one side of it, you have some little connections, so that way it locks, and again it's very hard to take it out, and there's a reason for that, so that way water does not go to it. But you have a micro USB connector. You also have the headset jack. You have a little pin for reset, and also you have the power connection, so this way you're going to charge it up. And then we're going to close this part, so it has really good connections here, and then on the bottom you have little legs, so that way when you stand it stands up properly. But now going on one side of it, you have the connection, so this way you can put this on your bag, or you want to hook this up to your belt. This will hold up really tight. You can see it. And also you have the little hook, so that way if you're not using it, it just clicks to it and it connects. Again, going around it, there's nothing else there, and you have the speakers in the front and also in the back. By the way, it is water resistance, so you can see it right now. We're just splashing some water to it, and also when you take it outside, it works beautiful. So we will show you some pictures right now. It's very easy to pair this. You just have to hold the power button on the Bluetooth speaker for a few seconds, and then it's going to go to pairing mode, and then the rest is happening on your telephone, or in this case on your smartphone itself, and then you can press play to play your music. I do not want to forget, if you want to order this, links will be available in the bottom, and also if you want to get some information from the official website, again, links will be available in the bottom of this video. Except that, don't want to forget also to visit our website and also subscribe to us. If you haven't liked our video, click that too, and also visit our website, which is axitex.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and other social networking places, and thank you.